Alright, I bought one of the undeliverable mail boxes and I'm gonna open it. Alright, first thing is a drink mixer. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What is this? A mini flat iron. I have no clue what this is. Oh, it's a wireless phone charger. I actually need a new one of those, so I'm pretty excited about that. Smart dimmer switch. That's cool. There's so much just random stuff. An iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Okay. What is this? You want to open that for me? Okay. A heating pad for TMJ relief. I actually have TMJ, so that might help. Absorbent soft. What? Oh, napkins. That's really cute. Ooh, and I got a purse. That's really cute, actually. I like that. Nice.
Here.
So this is a queen size linens. Pretty soft, but they are polyester. This snap cam. So it's kind of like a GoPro, it looks like. Nice. And a new mouse. Automatic fish feeder. I don't have any fish. Insoles for shoes. Or medical. Deep massager for the neck. Ooh, that actually sounds nice. I've seen these. Looking forward to trying it. Alright, got some big ones here. Gel cushion. Comfort cushion. For the seat. Is this meant for chairs? It is. Cool. I'm keeping that. These are fake flowers. And that was everything in my box. That was $69.99. And I possibly made that plus more back. So, hope you all enjoy it and have a great day.